Hey, praisers and savers, these are the best CVS deals for January the 17th through January 23rd, 2021. My family and I are still in quarantine, so we are not going out shopping, but I wanted to make sure I did these deals for you so you can have the visuals. All right, so you're going to see a lot of healthy things that are going on this month since it is January. You'll see a lot of vitamins and supplemental things. So the first thing is the Glycerna mini treats, 6 count. I usually find these on the very back near the pharmacy. They're not on the main aisle at my store, so check on that back wall. That back wall is like where you usually would see thermometers or like the blood pressure cuffs. This is where I find mine. These are the 6 count, and they are going to be free buying 2 of them this week. So there is 2 newspaper coupons out there for Ensure and Glycerna items, and then you also get $5 back in extra care bucks. So this is a profit item. Of course, you're going to pay money to get it, but you're going to get that $5 back in extra care bucks to roll over, and look for those 2 newspaper coupons to make that deal free. So, like I was saying, the vitamins and things are on sale. These are the Nature Made vitamins, but almost all the vitamins are a great deal this week. Check your the whole aisle. You've got the Nature Made, you got Centrum, the Sun one, I can't remember what it's called. So check out those because they are some really great deals on vitamins this week. This is part of the spend 30 get $10 gift card. And you're going to when you buy 2 of them, they're going to be free and actually be a 16-cent profit, but you'll add other things in to get the spend 30 get $10 off. There's also newspaper coupons out there, but if you don't have newspaper coupons, there is a coupon on the app for saving $2. However, I think the newspaper coupons are higher value than the app coupons, so check those out. And there are some CRTs that you can combine. I've been hearing that a lot of people are missing out on CRTs these past couple weeks, but check and see because there's a $2 CVS store coupon as well. Of course, it would not be a week of couponing without toothpaste. The Crest toothpaste this week is going to be absolutely free for 1 tube. You're going to pay $3 for a tube of toothpaste, using the $2 off coupon on the app, getting back $1 in extra care bucks. So that makes it totally free. You don't have to use any kind of newspaper coupons. Just use the $2 coupon on the app. You can do this deal twice, but if you don't have another $2 off coupon, it will not work. But see if you do. You might have a newspaper coupon for $2 off. If you do, you can do it again, and the deal will be free for both tubes if you do it twice. All right, so some CoverGirl cosmetics, 3 cents for the CoverGirl cosmetics. What I'll be focusing on to make it 3 cents is the CoverGirl Classic Blush. So the price is after $7 in extra care bucks. When you buy 2 of them, you'll spend $15. You'll get those $7 back. So you'll use 2 newspaper coupons. There's a $3 off CVS store coupon on your app, and this also goes to your Beauty Club savings. So make sure you check for your app and download any coupons that you have for makeup or CoverGirl products. 3 cents for some blush. I'll take it. All right, now there are some great deals on shampoo this week. So I'll tell you what I do. If I have shampoo, I do all those in the same transaction. So if I have Garnier, LOreal, whatever it may be, Tresemme, I'll put all my shampoos in the same transaction, because what happens a lot of times on the CVS app, there may be a deal where if you spend $20 on shampoo, you'll get $4 off. That's a CVS store coupon, and you can stack those with your regular coupons. So make sure you do that and look for those hair care product coupons on your app. So the Garnier Fruitiste is going to be 8 cents each. They're 2 for $7. And when you buy 2, you'll get $3 back in extra care bucks. There's some newspaper coupons out there, and make sure you get those because they expire. One of them expires today, but there's some more out there as well. So you might want to go ahead and pick those up today. And then the Beauty Club event goes with these as well. So be careful. These coupons will probably expire today, but there may be some more out there if you look online. Same deal on the whole blends. It's going to be 39 cents. You're going to buy 2, get $4 back in extra care bucks. The newspaper coupons out there expire today as well. This also goes along with the Beauty Club savings. All right. I love to get the Hall's cough drops because I put these in blessing bags. When I make blessing bags, I normally would put in there, the shampoo, body wash, toothpaste, toothbrush, and then usually a snack. Maybe that snack is something like a cracker, like a Ritz cracker snack, or some candy. If I don't have any of that, I'll throw in a Hall's cough drop bag. So it's just something in there that they can put in their mouth. And so these are going to be 30 cents each, which is a great deal. It is a buy one, get one 50% off. And then it's going to be $2 extra care bucks back when you buy it. Now, I have newspaper coupons on this, and this is a limit of 1. So you're only going to be able to get 2 bags, and they'll be 30 cents each. You're not going to be able to stock up and buy like 10 bags. You can only get 2 bags this week with the buy one, get one 50% off deal. All right, so here's some more shampoo that I was talking about earlier. Make sure you put all these in one transaction and do all your coupons, do all your CRTs for hair care products to maximize the amount of money. So these are going to be 60 cents each. L'Oreal is my favorite shampoo. They're 2 for $8. You're going to buy 2 and get $2 back in extra care bucks. And there are some newspaper coupons out there. And it also qualifies for your 10% Beauty Club savings. Because remember, when you get the Beauty Club, when you spend $30, you'll get back some extra care bucks every time you spend $30. So the shampoo qualifies, the makeup qualifies, a lot of things qualify. You really don't even notice it. And this is a limit of 1. You can only do this deal 1 time in the store. So you're getting 2 bottles of shampoo for 60 cents each, limit of 1. I always get these. I think you've heard me say this 1,000 times, but these are the Gillette Mach 3 razors. It's a 1 count. They are usually in my store, they're $9.99. And then there is a newspaper coupon out there. Check your app because there's usually a coupon on the app for $3 off or $2 off. It's usually $3 off. When you buy 1, you're getting $5. Even if you didn't have the newspaper coupon, if you bought 1, this makes this half off. It makes it 50% off, which is still a great deal, but I want to try to get as cheap as possible. So buying 1, you'll get $5 back extra care bucks, and then there's a newspaper coupon out there for $3 off. So the cost will either be $1.99 or 99 cents according to what the price is at your store. Just check it out and see. I go back and forth between getting the women's razor or the men's razor every week because 1 week I'll buy it for me and 1 week I'll buy it from someone else. And these are great stocking stuffers for Christmas. You can stock up for them for next year. Or making goodie bags. This would be great to put in a blessing bag because you're just putting in 1 thing of razors, and razors are not cheap. So I'm sure someone would greatly appreciate that in a blessing bag. All right, guys. So I really appreciate you checking out the CVS Best Deals of the week. If you find any other deals this week that you'd like to share, please put it in the comments for me. And I also have some other videos up about how to coupon and how to use the Flip app. Please check those out. If you finish this video all the way to the end, please type in the comments blessing bag, like my channel, subscribe to my channel and like this video. All right, guys, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.